Worried you will be left on your own after buying gold or silver? You're not alone. Ongoing support is key. Buying physical gold and silver is just the start. Knowing you have support afterward can make all the difference. The Welcome to Augusta Guide explains how multiple teams work together to assist you beyond the purchase. From customer success reps who guide you through setup and account questions, to education specialists who help you understand market trends and strategies, you're never left in the dark. This ongoing support helps you stay confident as you diversify your retirement portfolio with precious metals. I've linked this guide in the description if you want to see how the support system works in detail. This guide is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. 8 PDFs designed to provide a full picture of investing in precious metals. Along with the Welcome to Augusta Guide, the bundle covers everything from setup, pricing, company integrity, to why precious metals deserve a place in your retirement plan. If you want clear, ongoing support while investing in gold and silver, this free guide bundle is a great resource. It's beginner friendly and packed with useful info to help you move forward confidently. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle now. The link's in the description.